this is how you set up a feeder pickup. We're gonna start with feeder number 1. You're able to put up to 20 feeders on this model. You want to bring the down-looking camera to match the center of the first exposed part, as you can see from the screen. You can pull back on this lever to view the part a little better. After you center the crosshairs, now you want to open the feeder list window. As you can see, this feeder list is empty. We're going to add the first feeder. It'll be feeder number 1. Since we moved the down-looking camera to the center of the pocket, it'll save the coordinates. And then we would eventually need to give it the Z. We don't know the Z yet. As far as the nozzle, the best nozzle for this component would be nozzle number 4. We'll add a feeder. On the feeder list, you'll see the first feeder in column 1 has the X, the Y, but not the Z. We're now going to try to verify the Z. It also has a nozzle number 4. Z1, Z2 is what we need to figure out. The way you figure this out is that you would have to bring head 1 or head 2 underneath the component. An easy way to do this is to open the calibrate window, click under camera offset, and then for head 1 we'll try offset. You'll notice head 1 is underneath feeder 1 now. Now we have to bring the head down to be flush with the component, and we'll figure out the Z height. We'll use the navigation panel. You want to select the small number, 1 or 10, and you want to hit Z1 plus. As you'll notice on the software, it's reporting the amount of steps the Z has gone down. Let's make it flush. It looks like it's flush at 140 steps. Now it's very important to bring the Z up in order not to break the nozzle. Now that we know the Z, we can open the feeder list, input 140 steps for Z1, 140 steps for Z2. Now we'll click on pickup and see if it works. It picked up the part. We'll throw away the part. Okay, now we'll try head 2. On the feeder list, you can select head 2. Now we'll click on pickup. Head 2 picked up the component, and that's how you set your feeder.